Good morning, class. Today we will be doing topic WH questions. What are basically WH questions? WH questions are questions which require information. You ask a question basically when you need more information about something. So WH questions require an answer that gives more information. There are many different types of WH questions. But why are they called WH questions? They are called WH questions because they contain WH in this word. For example, what, when, where, who, whom, which, why, and how. How is also included in WH question words because it do contains W and H in it. Now, coming to some of the question words. Now, coming to what. What is What is asking about a thing? What is used for asking when you are asking about a thing? For example, what is your favorite color? Then comes when. We use when we want to ask about a time of an event or an activity. For example, when do you wake up every day? Here it is asking about the time when you wake up. Then coming to where. Asking about a place. It asks about a place. For example, where can I get this book? So I'm asking where this book is available, name of the place. Now coming to who. Who is used when you're asking about a person, and whom is also used when you are asking about a person. But the only difference between who and whom is that who is used for subject while whom is used for object. For example of who can be who is at the door. So who is the subject. And example of whom can be whom is he going out with. So here whom we are talking about is an object. Coming to another one, which is which. We use which when we want to ask about option or choice. For example, which is the largest city in the world? There are different options that you can choose from and answer. So that's why which is being used. When then comes why. Why is used for asking about a reason. For example, why do you say that? In this question requires an answer that gives reasoning. Coming to the last one, how. Now, how is used for asking about a procedure or a method. For example, how was your exam? It is asking what was the procedure or the method of your exam. Was it successful or was it not successful? So it requires the answer. Now, after these words, the usage of these words, you need to understand the structure of question words. When you are making question words, remember, first of it always begins with the question words. WH question. First of all, you will write WH word. For example, what, where, why, when. Then an auxiliary verb. Now, what is an auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verbs are the helping verbs. For example, is, are, was, were. Then you will write subject. After the subject, you will write the main verb. Now let me explain this procedure with the help of an example. When are you leaving? In this, when is the WH word. Are is the auxiliary verb. You is the subject and leaving is the main verb. Now with the help of this example, you can understand that what is the structure of the sentence. But can you guess what is wrong in this or what is missing in this sentence or what is missing in this question? Yes, question mark. Question mark is missing. Because questions always end with a question mark. Remember, punctuation is very important. If you do not put a question mark, it might look like a sentence rather than a question. So focus on your punctuation along with the structure. So question mark at the end of each and every sentence.